Hello friends, welcome to Prytech. This is part 1 of C# Basic Interview Question Series. In this session, we will learn what is C#, what are the advantages of C#, what are the different type of applications developed using C#, what is a console application, what is class, what is object, how can we create a class and object in C#, what are the different sections of a class, what is console class in C#, why we need data type in C#, what are the different data type in C#. Once you understand and memorize these questions, you are comfortable to attend any interview and apply this concept in your projects or applications easily. What is C#? C# is one of the most popular Microsoft programming languages, most powerful programming language because it contains all the features of C++, VB.NET, Java and also some additional features. Compatibility object oriented programming language. What are the advantages of C#? Object oriented features, support, automatic garbage collection, cross platform, backward compatibility, better integrity and interoperability. What are the different types of applications developed using C#? We can develop applications like Windows application, web application, console application, class library, etc. What is a console application? It contains a similar user interface to the operating system like MS-DOS, Unix, etc. It is known as CUI application because in this application we completely work with CUI environment. These applications are similar to C or C++ applications. Console applications do not provide any GUI facility like the mouse pointer, color, buttons, menu bar, etc. What is class? A class is a user-defined data type that represents both state and behavior. The state represents the property and behavior is the action that object can perform. Class is the blueprint or template that describes the detail of an object. A class is a blueprint from which the individual objects are created. In C#, a class is composed of three things: name, attributes and operations. What is object? Object is an instance of a class. An object can be considered as a thing that can perform activities. The set of activities that the object performs defines the object behavior. All the members of a class can be accessed through the object. To access the class member, we need to use the dot operator. The dot operator links the name of an object with the name of the member of a class. How can we create a class and object in C#? A class definition starts with the keyword class followed by the class name. Here the class name is calculator and the class body enclosed by a pair of curly braces. As part of the class body, you define class members like properties, methods, variables, etc. Here as part of the body, we define one method called calculateSum. The class calculator is just a template. In order to use this class or template, you need an object. What are the different sections of a class? A class has different sections. First one is importing namespace section, second one is namespace declaration section, third one is class declaration section, fourth one is main method section. What is console class in C#? The console class is available in the system namespace. This console class provides some methods and properties using which we can implement the user interface in a console application. All the properties and methods available in the console class are static, so we can access these members by using the console class name. That is, we don't require console class instance. Why we need data type in C#? Data types are basically used to store the data temporarily in the computer through a program. In the real world, we have different types of data like integer, floating point, character, string, etc. To store all these different kind of data in a program to perform business related operations, we need the data types. What is a data type in C#? The data type are something which gives information about size of the memory location, the range of data that can be stored inside that memory location, possible legal operations which can be performed on that memory location, what type of result come out from an expression when these type are used inside that expression. The keyword which gives all the above information is called the data type. C# provides three data types: value type, pointer type, reference type. In value type, there are two types: predefined data types, user defined data types. Predefined data types are integer, boolean, float. User defined data type are enums, structures. Reference type data types are predefined data type and user defined data type. Predefined data types are objects, strings. User defined data types are classes, interface, etc. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.